They weigh up to 5,500 pounds. They actually can hold their breath for under the water for up to 8 minutes at a time as well. You'll also see these pelicans. These are called the pink-backed pelicans. Now they get that name because underneath their feathers, their skin turns pink during the mating season. So some say they blush for one another. You get a great view of that hippo that's walking around underneath the water. It's actually how they move. They walk on the riverbed instead of swimming. So he actually gives them their nicknames of the river horses because of that. Alright, we're coming up to a bridge, so make sure we stay seated. I am seeing some Nile crocodiles to our left.
Wow.
Now these guys, they're large. They grow up to 16 feet long. They actually can jump their body length out of the water. Very impressive.
See you later.
They have those powerful jaws, but they're delicate. When their eggs are about to hatch, they put those eggs inside their mouths and roll them around with their tongues. Now all the animals that live here, they actually help to shape this landscape. So for example, wildebeest, antelope, and zebras, they eat the grasses and they start talking to one another. Now there's a couple of species on our left side. You'll see some antelope with large horns.
Whoa.
Those are called the sable antelope. And they have those long curved horns to help deter predators from jumping on their necks. Now also see some cattle with very large horns. These are called Ankole cattle. They're one of the only domesticated animals on the reserve. Now those horns actually grow to be about 4 feet long. You think they're pretty short? They're actually not. Very large herds up ahead. You'll actually see some dazzle zebra. Now these are mountain zebra for those very wide stripes on. They're hanging around these trees. You see that? Now the giraffe are the tallest of all the land animals. When born, they're only about 6 feet tall, but when fully grown, they can reach up to 20 feet tall, which is most definitely taller than my truck. Now these are specifically Maasai giraffe for those irregular jagged shaped spots on their bodies. You may see a lot of them are eating. Giraffes eat about 20 hours a day. Only 30 minutes of their day is actually spent sleeping.
Wow.
And they will sleep standing. So this group of mandrills
Mama.
The mandrills
Hi.
The males weigh about 100 pounds, and it looks like there is a baby up there.
Oh, how cute.
And they're most well known for those red and blue markings that are on their faces, which actually get brighter as they get more excited about something. Maybe they're... Now those are most likely male elephants because there's only 2 of them that I'm seeing. These are called the greater flamingos. They are the tallest and lightest color pink of all the flamingo species. And they actually get that pink coloration from the food they eat, which is called brine left. Right over by those trees and the rocks.
Here.
And they are the fastest of the land animals. They can run at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. Everything about their bodies is built for speed. You'll see they have a long tail. They use that tail as a rudder. It helps them to turn while maintaining their high speed. They also have claws that don't pull. They rest pretty much all day, about 16 to 20 hours a day. They save up all of that energy for a hunt they would take later on in the evening. The male lions, they actually stay behind and guard the territory and their cubs, while the females go out and do the hunting. I sometimes like to call the male lions stay-at-home dads. Gonna get a great view of this one lioness resting on this rock. Now, if you ever were to hear a lion roar, their roars can be heard from up to 5 miles away. That's how they communicate with one another. And it also is to tell other lion prides that this is our territory. Stay away. Looks like they must just start waking up at this point.
Pumba.
They actually have 2 sets of tusks to dig and protect those burrows, which are their homes.
Whoa.
Now they also get their name of warthogs for the marks that appear on their faces, which are just hardened parts of their skin.
It's
Apart from one another by the shapes of their horns. They actually shape those horns themselves by rubbing them on rocks and trees. So whatever they feel they like. It's kind of like how we get our hair cut or our fingernails done. You'll also see just past those rhinos some ostriches. Now all of those ostrich are females because they have growth. Now these are adults as big as they get to be. They're small size, don't require a whole lot.